So morning everyone, currently I'm going to a new place. I'm in Ipoh now, heading to the Kinta Nature Park, but the road is really interesting. It's a very long road away from everywhere. Let's look at That's how it is. Yes, I'm going through here trying to get to the park, and look at the hose. And okay, don't drive your sports car here. And it'll be interesting. I've never been to this place before, but I'm gonna try this out. It's supposed to be biodiversity or something, birds here. If I can get some nice birds photo, so this is interesting. Hopefully it's a bit further up, quite in, so you definitely have to bring a higher car here. Don't bring your sports car here. For fishing here. Yep, fishing. And next to the Kinta river, right? So very far in, and it's like a rally stage driving through here. It's fun, and hopefully I can get some nice shots for you guys. Well, here's the place. Try and get in. Wow, it's really small road. Interesting if you... Oh my god, there's a super huge, okay, huge monitor lizard that just caught a fish. Look at that. And yeah, it's having his breakfast there. And wow, such a beautiful place. So you can see on the right hand side. Wow. Don't bring your sports car here, okay? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the Oriental Darter just flying off. Two of them. Oh my god. And what's that? Okay, big hole here. And there's a pigeon. No, sorry, that should be the dove. Yeah, look at that. This is... wow. Okay, I should have brought my sandwich here. And what are those? Oh my god, I need to bring out my camera though. Those are water hen. See? They're out in the open, which normally very hard for me to shoot them, but they're out here. Just down here. Just went inside there. Hey, what a lovely place. Let's try to get in. Man, seems to be closed, but there's heck a lot of birds here. Hopefully I can shoot them. Oh, so many. Okay, probably shoot them from here then. This place is crazy. So many birds. And they're on flight. Look at that. That is a... what's that? Cormorant? Yeah. That is nuts. You practically target practice here, you know, just right above you. This is madness. Yeah, as usual, when I'm recording, someone will just do the grass cutter or the blower. Yeah, if you want Oriental Darter and Cormorant, they're here. They're here, everywhere here. Yep, that's Oriental Darter. Just right in front of us. Look at that. Hi. This is madness. They're just right here. I didn't need to go far, man. In fact, I all the way to Ipoh and still the grass cutter blower guy is just in every one of my recordings. That's amazing. Battery on the R8 is horrendous. It's time to change another one again. So then on top of that, I will put in the 1.4 times teleconverter. I've used the 2X before. The 1.4 is better with the 800mm. So we'll put this in and do some shots. Okay, remember to tape the two last pin here. If you want the full 80% autofocus zone, if not, it'll just be a square box in the center. So do tape that on your teleconverter. So this is how it looks like with the 1.4 times teleconverter. So we're gonna do some shots. So advantage with the F16 in such a bright environment is you get the whole bird from wing to wing, tip to tip. Okay, so no problem in such bright sunlight. And tracking all work. I'm getting my 80% focus zone due to the double tape hack. Just masking tape on the two pins, and you're gonna get your full AF. Beautiful place. All the birds are flying, and with the 1.4x I get closer to the birds. They close because the wetlands is flooded. Yeah, it's wet, so you can't go to the viewing deck there, but at least I can get in here, get some low lining shots. Well, that's it, folks. Hope you like the photos and the videos coming up from the R8 with the 1.4 times and the 800 f11. And this is a beautiful place. You guys should come. Well, it's very bright, sunny now. This is the Kinta Nature Park, and I'm so grateful that I came here to visit. So this is in Ipoh. Do come by and practice your bird in flights here. It's definitely a place you can practice. So I see you. Have a nice day. Bye.